Welcome to the listening channel of Peak English. Hello everyone. How are you doing today? I am so happy to see you here. Today, we have a very interesting story for you. We are going to follow the daily schedule of a programmer. Do you know what a programmer is? A programmer is a person who works with computers. They write code. Code is like a special language for computers. By watching this video today, you will learn many things. You will learn new words about the office. You will learn words about technology. You will also learn how to talk about your daily work routine. This will help you talk about your own job in English. Today, you will spend the day with a programmer. His name is Alex. You will also meet his friendly co-worker. Her name is Amelia. They work together at a big tech company. The tech company is in the city. They work on computers every single day. Don't worry if you don't know much about computers. The English in this story is very slow. It is very simple. It is very easy to understand. We will go step by step. Before we start the story, I have a challenge for you. It is a small listening challenge. Please listen very carefully to the conversation. Try to find the answer to this question. Here is the question. What time does Alex usually take his lunch break? I will ask you this question again at the end of the video, so pay close attention. Are you ready? I think you are ready. Let's start the story now. Let's spend the day at the office with Alex and Amelia. It is early in the morning. The time is 8:30 a.m. Alex arrives at the office building. He walks into the big office.
Good morning, Amelia.
Good morning, Alex.
How are you today?
I am doing very well, thank you. How are you?
I am doing great. The weather is really beautiful today.
Yes, it is. The sun is shining brightly. The sky is very blue.
It is a perfect morning.
Did you walk to the office today?
No, I did not walk today. I took the bus. The bus was very crowded.
Oh, I see. I drove my car to work today.
Driving is nice. Well, I am ready to start my day.
Me too. Let's go to our desks.
Yes, let's go. This is my desk. I have a nice chair. I have a big monitor.
And this is my desk. It is right next to yours.
I am sitting down now. I need to turn on my computer.
I am turning on my computer too.
I am pressing the power button. Now my computer is turning on. The screen is black. Now the screen is blue. It is waking up.
My computer is already on. It is very fast.
What is the first thing you do every morning?
That is a good question. First, I always check my emails.
That is a very good idea. I will check my emails too. I am opening my email app. Let me see. Oh, I have 5 new emails.
I only have 2 new emails today.
Let me read my emails. The first email is from our manager. He says, "Good morning." The second email is about our team lunch.
I like team lunches.
I need to reply to the manager. I am typing a short message. "Good morning, manager. I am ready to work." Send.
Take your time, Alex.
Okay, I am done. The emails are all finished.
Do you want to get some coffee? We have a meeting in 20 minutes.
Yes, please. I really love coffee in the morning. It helps me wake up. It gives me energy.
Let's go to the break room.
Alex and Amelia walk to the break room. The break room is a place to rest. There is a coffee machine there.
Wow, this coffee smells wonderful.
Yes, it is very fresh. I made it 5 minutes ago.
Thank you, Amelia. I am pouring the coffee into my cup. I like black coffee. I do not put milk in it. What about you, Amelia?
I like my coffee sweet. I put milk in my coffee. I also put 1 spoon of sugar in it.
That sounds tasty. Now we have our coffee. We are ready for the morning meeting.
Yes, we have a meeting every day. The meeting is always at 9 a.m.
It is called a stand-up meeting.
Do you know why it is called a stand-up meeting?
Because we stand up. We do not sit in chairs.
Exactly. We stand up and talk about our work.
We talk about what we did yesterday. We talk about what we will do today.
It is a very short meeting. It is very fast.
Let's go to the meeting room now.
The meeting is over. The time is now 9:30 a.m. Alex and Amelia go back to their desks. Now it is time for them to write code.
Okay, I am back at my desk.
Me too. What are you working on today, Alex?
I have an important job today. I am making a new button for our website.
A new button? That sounds very interesting. What color will the button be?
The button will be blue. Blue is a nice color.
Yes, I like blue.
When people click the button, a picture will show up.
That is cool.
Now I need to open my code editor. I click on the icon. The program is opening.
A code editor is a special program. It is where we write our code.
Exactly. Code is like instructions for the computer. The computer is very smart, but it needs instructions. I tell the computer exactly what to do. I am typing on my keyboard now. Type, type, type. My fingers are moving fast.
I can hear you typing. You type very fast.
Thank you. I practice typing every day. I am writing the word button. I am writing the word blue. I am adding the size. It will be a big button.
Keep up the good work. I am writing code for the shopping cart.
That is important too. Okay, time is passing. It is now 11 a.m. The code for the button is finished. I wrote 50 lines of code. Now I need to test it.
Testing is very, very important. You must always check your work.
I am saving my file. I am opening the website on my screen. I see the blue button. It looks beautiful. Now I will click it with my mouse. Click. Wait. Oh no.
What is wrong, Alex? Did something happen?
Yes. The button is not working. When I click it, nothing happens. There is no picture.
Oh, I see. You have a bug.
Yes, I have a bug in my code.
For our viewers watching, let me explain. A bug is an error. It is a mistake in the computer code.
It is not a real insect. There is no spider or fly in my computer.
No, it is a computer mistake.
Bugs are very normal. Every programmer gets bugs all the time. It is part of the job.
Do you want me to help you? Do you need help finding the bug?
Yes, please. I really need some help. Can you look at my screen?
Of course. I will roll my chair over to your desk. Let's look together.
Here is the code for the blue button.
Let me read it carefully. We will read it line by line. Line 1 is good. Line 10 looks good. The color is correct. Line 11 looks good.
I do not understand. This is very hard. Where is the mistake?
Don't worry, Alex. Take a deep breath. We will find it together.
I am looking and looking. My eyes are getting tired. I am looking at the screen too much.
Maybe you need a short break. A break is good for the brain.
What time is it right now?
Let me check my watch. It is 12:30 p.m.
Oh, perfect. I always take my lunch break at 12:30 p.m.
Me too. My stomach is making noises. I am very hungry.
Let's stop working for now. Let's go eat lunch. We can fix the bug later.
Good idea. Food will give us new energy.
Alex and Amelia walk to the office lunchroom. Many other people are eating there. It is a happy and noisy room.
Let's sit at this table by the window.
Okay. The view outside is nice.
What did you bring for lunch today, Amelia?
I brought a chicken salad. It has chicken, tomatoes, and green leaves. It is very healthy. What about you?
I have a cheese sandwich, and I have a big red apple. I also have some water.
That looks very delicious.
Lunchtime is so relaxing. I am not thinking about the computer code.
Yes, it is very nice to rest your mind. We can talk about fun things.
Did you watch that new movie on TV?
Yes, I did. It was very funny.
1 hour passes. Lunchtime is over. Alex and Amelia go back to their desks. They feel fresh. They are ready to work again.
Okay, I am sitting down again. Lunch was great.
Yes, it was. Now, let's find that bug.
I am ready. I am opening the code editor again. Here is the code.
Let's look at the bottom part. Let's look at line 20.
Okay, line 20. Let me read it very slowly. I am pointing with my finger. Wait a minute. I see something. Oh, I see it.
You see the bug?
Yes. Look right here. Look at the end of the line. I forgot something. Colon. I forgot to put a semicolon.
A missing semicolon. That is a very common mistake.
A semicolon is a small mark. It is a dot and a comma together.
It is very small. You almost cannot see it, but it is very, very important in coding.
It tells the computer that the line is finished. If you forget it, the computer gets confused. The computer does not know what to do. I will type the semicolon right now. Type. There. The bug is fixed.
Great job, Alex. Let's test the button again.
I am saving the code one more time. I am going back to the website. I see the blue button. I am moving my mouse. I am clicking the button. Click. Look! A picture popped up. It works.
Yay! The button works perfectly now.
I am so happy. Thank you so much for your help, Amelia. You are a very good friend.
You are very welcome, Alex. We help each other. We make a great team.
Yes, we really do. Programming is like solving a big puzzle.
Yes, it is. Sometimes it is very frustrating. Sometimes you want to give up.
But you cannot give up. And when you finally fix the bug, it feels absolutely amazing.
I agree completely. It is the best feeling.
Well, look at the clock on the wall.
Oh, wow. Time goes fast when you are busy. It is almost 5 p.m.
5 p.m. already? Our workday is finished.
It was a very good day. It was a very productive day.
Yes, I finished my blue button. Now I need to go home. I will close my code editor. I will shut down my computer. The screen is black again.
I am shutting down my computer too. I am putting my notebook in my bag. I am packing my bag.
Are you ready to go home?
Yes, I am completely ready.
I'm going to walk to the bus stop.
I am going to walk to my car.
Have a great evening, Amelia.
Have a wonderful evening, Alex. Get some good rest tonight.
I will. See you tomorrow morning.
See you tomorrow.
And that is the end of the day. The office is quiet now. Alex and Amelia went home to rest. How was the story? Did you enjoy spending the day as a programmer? As you can see, a programmer's job is very interesting. Working with computers can be hard sometimes. You have to look for small mistakes, but it is also very fun and rewarding. Now it is time for our little quiz. Let me ask you the question from the beginning one more time. Did you listen carefully to their conversation? Here is the challenge question. What time does Alex usually take his lunch break? Do you remember the time? Did you find the answer? The answer is in the middle of their conversation. When Alex got tired and his eyes hurt, he looked at the time. If you know the answer, I want you to do something. Please write the answer in the comments section below. Please try to write your answer in English. You can write a very short and simple sentence. Writing simple sentences in English is a fantastic way to practice. It helps you remember the words. It improves your writing skills very fast. Even a short comment helps you learn and grow. I read all of your comments. If you liked this video today, please click the like button below. And please don't forget to subscribe to the Peak English channel. Subscribing helps our channel grow. It helps me make more videos for you. We will bring you more slow, easy, and fun English stories. We want to help you learn English every day. Thank you so much for listening and watching today. Keep practicing your English. You are doing a great job. Have a beautiful day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.